Dear students, today we will start with Unit 3. It consists of problems on time and work. First of all, we will see some important facts and formulas. So, first formula is if A can do a piece of work in n days, then A's one day work is 1 by n. Second, if A's one day work is 1 by n, then A can finish the work in n days. Third, if A is thrice as good as a workman as B, then ratio of work done by A and B is 3:1, and ratio of time taken by A and B to finish a work is 1 by 3. So we will see some examples. So first example is a worker A takes 8 hours to do a job. Worker B takes 10 hours to do the same job. How long should it take both A and B working together but independently to do the same job? Okay. So there are two workers A and B. Worker A takes 8 hours. So A's 1 hour work is 1 by 8. And B's 1 hour work is 1 by 10 as it takes 10 hours. So it is 1 by 10. So A plus B's 1 hour work is 1 plus 8 plus 1 by 10. So it is 1 plus 8 plus 1 by 10 is 9 by 40. So both A and B will finish the work in 40 by 9 as we have seen in the first formula. If A's one day work is 1 by n, then A can finish the work in n days. So here as A and B 1 hour work is 9 by 40. So both A and B will finish the work in 40 by 9, means 4 hours and 4 by 9. 4 and 4 by 9 hours. So it is hours. Okay. Then second problem. A and B together can complete a piece of work in 4 days. If A alone can complete the same work in 12 days, in how many days B alone complete the work? Okay. So A and B both together complete the piece of work in 4 days. So A and B's 1 day work is 1 by 4. And A's 1 day work is 1 by 12. So B's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 12. Means A plus B minus A. So it is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 12. It is 1 by 6. So B alone can complete the work in 6 days. The work 1 day work is 1 by 6. Then it complete that work in 6 days. Third example, A can do a piece of work in 7 days and 7 days of 9 hours each. Means each day A work for 9 hours and B can do it in 6 days of 7 hours each. So how long will they take to do it working together 8 and 2 by 5 hours a day? Okay. So A can complete the work as A work for 9 hours each day and it complete that task in 7 days. So A can complete the work in 7 into 9 means 63 hours and B can complete the work in 6 into 7, that is 42 hours. So A's 1 hour work is 1 by 63 and B's 1 hour work is 1 by 42. So A plus B's means A and B's 1 hour work is 1 plus 63 plus 1 plus 42. So it is 5 by 126. So both will finish the work in 126 divided by 5 hours. Hai? So both can complete that work in 126 divided by 5 hours. So number of days, if they work for 8 and 2 by 5 hours for each day. So what we have to do, we have to divide this 126 by 5 by 8 and 2 by 5. So 8 and 2 by 5 is 8 5 is 40 plus 2 is 42 by 5. So 126 divided by 5 divided by 42 by 5. So it is 126 into 5 into 5 by 42. So 5 cancel. So it requires 3 days. Okay. So next problem we will see in the next section.